Hi and welcome to Sagalai with Ragalai. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, subscribe now and click the bell icon right next to it to receive our channel notification immediately. In this video, I am going to show you how to make spicy pepper chicken. To make this recipe, we need the following ingredient. I have taken 750 grams of chicken. Now let's grind the taken peppercorns and fennel seeds together and keep it aside. Now let's take the kadai and heat it. Add 2 tablespoons of groundnut oil. After the oil gets heated, add mustard seeds and urad dal. Now add the cumin seeds after the mustard seeds pop. Add the ginger garlic paste immediately after adding the cumin seeds. Saute it well without sticking to the kadai. Once the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes, add the chopped small onions. Add some amount of salt while cooking the onions. Adding the salt while cooking the onions make the onions to cook faster. I am now adding the half slitted green chilies. Stir it well to cook evenly. Add some curry leaves. Now the onions are cooked well. Now I am going to add the chopped tomato and I am going to stir it well. Add the raw cashew nuts to get the crunchiness from the gravy. Add the turmeric powder. Adding turmeric will kill all the germs from the chicken. Add the coriander powder and mix it well. Now add the garam masala, stir it well. Add 2 tablespoons of curd. Adding curd makes the chicken soft and juicy. Mix it well. Now add the grinded peppercorns and fennel seeds powder and mix it well. Adding masala will make them dry. So I am adding some water to the gravy. I am adding some more water. Add some salt as per your taste. Stir it well and cook the gravy till the raw smell of masalas vanish. The gravy is cooked well. Now it's time to add the chicken. The chicken pieces are all washed well for more than 4 times. Stir it well, coating all the chicken pieces with the gravy. Now cover and cook the chicken for 10 minutes. The chicken releases some water and oil. Now cook the chicken in simmer for 5 minutes. Now spicy pepper chicken is ready to serve, and enjoy this juicy and delicious chicken gravy with your family and friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel.